What? That guy's gonna scare those girls. What the heck? Hello everybody. I am here with my brother, Billy, and we are going to the Eastern State Penitentiary in Philadelphia. During the Halloween time, there's something called Terror Behind the Walls, which it's like a haunted house. You go there and it's this haunted, old, abandoned prison. And people go there and you just die. You go there, what the hell? But no, so Billy and I actually went last year and it was so much fun and we almost died, and we're going again this year and I'm really excited. So yeah, I'll record a whole bunch of stuff when I get there. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. First stop, Starbucks, because fuck, oh my god, that was so we gotta make sure we're alive before we die. So we gotta get some Starbucks. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get my wallet. Yeah, this is exactly a year ago today.
Oh, that's fucking weird.
Exactly a year ago, and we're going to Eastern State Penitentiary last year. That's so funny. So we actually have to park at the Philadelphia Zoo, and then a ghost bus is gonna pick us up.
Here's the parking?
I have right here. Ah. Hold on.
I don't know if they take it now or...
Oh, I remember, I just checked my, wait, the bus is here, no. I was just gonna say, I was just checking my phone, and we were here exactly 1 year ago today, which is like, I don't know if I said that already. Shit. This looks crazy. I know. You got your foot.
Like everything.
This is crazy. We just walked inside. Okay. So now we have to go sign a waiver. Okay. Just in case if we die. Oh yeah, we gotta remember to wait. Yeah, if we get separated, to wait. Because last year we got separated.
Pretty good.
So we just got the option to allow them to touch us. So it's gonna be a real interactive experience. Oh my god, it's just all smeared on. So it's divided into 5 sections, and the first section with the uprising, lock down the uprising.
It's like something from like...
What is happening, guys? Yeah,
I like how they changed it up.
it's crazy because this is like a real prison, so it's like weird. So this is the second one, the machine shop. Somebody just grabbed me. The guy grabbed me by my hair. And the guy grabbed me by my hair and it like hurt really bad. like he was like, what? Oh shit! Wow. I don't know. Okay, that was number 2. What was it? That was pretty cool. That was awesome. That was so much different. The guy that like hurt my hair. He literally grabbed my hair and pulled on it, and I was like, okay. What was this thing? This is the 3rd one. I forgot what they called it, but this is the 3rd one. Whatever it is. You casually hear a chainsaw, so that's a good sign. Wait, that was a real chainsaw. No, that was literally a real chainsaw. That got really warm. That was like hot. Infirmary.
Infirmary, Ken Hansen will kill you.
What the hell? Hello.
Down the hall now. Down the hall.
This next one's Breakout. I think it just ended.
Oh, they didn't have
Hello. Hi. Hi. That was awesome.
They didn't have my favorite part though.
What part?
In the room where they all stand.
Oh. Yeah, that was really fun. I definitely recommend going if anyone hasn't gone. That was really fun. I went last year with Billy. Now we just have to catch the bus back to the parking lot. Yeah, this one's leaving already. Hello. Hi. Okay, that was really good. That was really good. That was really good.
That's good.
Yeah. Alright, so we're all done. We survived. It was really fun. I liked it a lot. But if I know this video is probably a lot of screaming and yelling and yeah. But if this video actually goes up as a normal video on YouTube, then you guys should like this video, subscribe. So see you guys next video. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye.